To install Prettier, we'll go to extension, then search for Prettier. For me, I had installed it. So this is the one we will be using, version 11.0.0. So after installing it, let's use it to style our code and format code. So I'm going to the folders, creating a new file called index.js. Then in this one, I'm going to write I'm going to create a function that accepts a name and gives a greeting. So say hello. Should take the name as argument, then return the greeting. Console.log. Then it should indicate the greeting. So hello. Then the name argument. Then we can use the function hello and have the argument there. So this is it. So to format it, I can just right click, then go to format document with. Then in our case, can select Prettier. So semicolons have been added, and also this code have been distributed along multiple lines. So this one is more manual. To do it easier, when you have a large block of code, you can go to settings, then search format. Yeah, so the default is none. We can set that one too. Before we set it, we have the user and the workspace. So to set for every user that will create a project in our VS Code, you use this tab. But if you want to use it only on this project and this project alone, you can switch to workspace and set the format. So in our case, we want to use it in all our upcoming projects, so we'll use the user tab and set the format to Prettier. Then we want to format on save. So with that, I can go back to our index. So with this one, if I want to format it, I can just come and click save, and it will be formatted. So that is the easier route. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.